Good morning, children. In this class, I'll explain one concept that is escape sequences. Escape sequences. So, what is an escape sequence and what are the escape sequences are available? Practically also, I'll execute in your BlueJ system. See, escape sequences means these are non-graphic characters in Java programming. Non-graphic characters in Java programming. Next, these are used as a commands to direct the cursor while printing. To direct the cursor while printing. So these escape sequences frequently we are using in Java programming. And one more important point is these escape sequences are begins with backslash. Begins with backslash like this symbol. Every escape sequence character is begins with backslash. Now see what are the escape sequences are available. See first one, see this is a single quote. If you want to print single quote, then you have to use backslash and then single quote symbol. Now next one, see double quote. If you want to print double quote, then double quotes use. Next slash n. If you want to print new line, then slash n. Next slash r. Carriage return. This is also same as slash n only. Depends upon the operating system and compiler. Next slash t. It will give horizontal tab. One tab space it will give, like in keyboard we are having tab key, like that 8 characters space it will give horizontal tab. Next, if you want backslash symbol, then we are using this symbol backslash. The symbol you want, then we have to use backslash. Next, seventh one, slash b. One character backspace you want, then you have to use slash b. And one more is slash f. Form feed to extract the characters. Form feed. So these are the escape sequences are available in Java programming. First one is a single quote, double quote, new line, or carriage return, slash n, slash r, carriage return, slash t, horizontal tab, backslash, then this one, slash p, that means backspace, slash f, form feed. These are the escape sequences are available in Java programming. So what is an escape sequence and what are the escape sequences are available in Java programming means these are non-graphic characters in Java programming. These are used in as a commands to direct the cursor while we are printing a Java program. Frequently we are using these escape sequences in Java programming. Each and every escape sequences begins with what symbol, like multiple choice questions, some symbols they'll give escape sequences begins with what symbol? This is the backslash symbol. Every escape sequences begins with a backslash symbol. And what are the escape sequences are available? These are the escape sequences are available, or they'll give code, what is the output of the above code, like that. Now practically I'll execute each and every escape sequence. Now see, open your BlueJ, take the new class as escape sequences. You take the new class as escape sequences. Maximize public class escape sequences. main method, open main, print anything like I am learning Java programming. So close main, sorry, close main, close close. So what is the output? I am learning Java programming. See, this is the output. Now in this output, I want to print single quotes. Then see, I am learning Java program. Here I want Java, the word, it should enclose in single quotes like this. Single quote, both sides I want. Compile. Now see, it is enclosed both sides in single quotes. So this is one escape sequence, single quotes, both sides. Only one side you want. Then open, remove this one. Now observe. This is the single quote, only one side. Now next, double quotes. See, if you want Java should be in double quotes, then every escape sequence should be begins with a backslash symbol like this. Now Java is enclosed in double quote. See, this is a one more escape sequence, that is double quote. The next one, /n. You want new line. You want to print this slash, this statement, I am learning Java programming in new line. I am learning in one line, Java programming in one line. Compile, /n. New line means we are using /n. See, I am learning Java program. And one more is /r, carriage return. Now observe. Same output. /n and /r. Operating system you are changing, then /n will work, or /r. Now /t, horizontal tab. We want to give 8 character space, like in keyboard we are having tab key, like that. I am learning Java programming. Here it will give almost 8 characters space, it will give. Horizontally it will give. Now execute. This is the space. One tab. Next escape sequence. One backslash you want to print. Like this. This symbol you want to print. Backslash. Then we have to use this one. This is a backslash symbol only. But every escape sequence begins with a backslash. That's why here 2 backslashes. Now observe. Compile, close, execute. See here backslash symbol came. I am learning Java programming. Here backslash symbol. So the next escape sequence is a /f. That is form feed. Here onwards it will print. It will extract the characters. See. Java programming is your output. So Java programming. Next. One more escape sequence is a /p. Depends upon the compiler. It will give 1 character backspace. See. So this is the output is going to change depends upon the compiler /p. So these are the escape sequences are available in Java programming. Very frequently we are using these escape sequences in Java programming. Thank you.